mama kwaba eba go take jumadi so ene jumadi me kire mo kwan a mo be fa so a ase UT ana say we obi a wo school we fie o person ene bibi kakra ento ho na so mfanye juma na say mfa ntwitwa ho e wo someone to mo a ene me wo ha say me boa so ene your first time I will show video ya make sure so be subscribe to my channel we now I like video we ama me se ne be ya me nso so de me ye no so be ban fa so kakra ama me nso ana onso se ne in case simple say me upload video a na say e be boa wa ube hu video ni ntem na wa follow procedure me so me sa show me next video na what media abobra my videos nso be about tech so in case we share video we na say person we share more into my videos you can check my channel out so energy my dear no make sure mo kwan abefa so business kakra ato ho as a young boy yeah minim so be our no ma unya at least within these days no benya bibi kakra ato no and before answer na be start no site na me dem obekọ so a ye be sikasem ye bibia no e was say ye verify na ye hu say e legit and as ye legit so ye nko phone so na ye nto adwumadi ne de aka bia also so before answer na ye be start no ye be search ye scam advisor yeah scam advisor no e site a ye dey check it website ya aba either say legit and I say legit so my site na me dem obekọ ho no your friend portal.com so yen try say be search no ha no me say ebeba so this portal yeah so eno na edikan no so as you guys can see eno na edikan wa say portal.com so you click on it and rate. Oh wow guys see the trust score no cram my 100/100 though you may have doubts yeah ubetime I have doubts say we cry no maybe a legit and a legit but according to reviews na manya no scam advisor no say a sport or say review or say portal reviews is portal.com scam or safe yeah safe for scam say likely to be legit trusting rating is high so people are rating it ever since say buy yeah so way no I won't waste my time for here let's go na me try mo kwa the website we any day any so from here no me wo description no e wo me ha no ma ye be boss or ye me wo link no ha ye be boss so in case of person joining don't worry I will leave the link in my description yeah me the link now boss we do paper ha no major no me ho no and scam advisor link no so major no in case we share link bi na person on verify say e ya na say na so ye bebo ye link ne so your link ne so a e baby o be ready 5 seconds before answer na e be ma kwan amwaye the person so e bie wa ha na you just enter your number like maybe this or that yes so abo number then wabo password maybe password the person mbobia then wabo send code o send code automatically o mo send code no ma phone number na say sim ni shima e be detect o ha no to say the we buy no then wabo register e be bi amount e be bi to say it will open like this yeah so e be o make us login so we login no we be phone number and no password na again but for me no my can register that so I'll just sorry this is not my main account guys this is not my main account so let's log out and log in again so the main account now me try say me log in Yeah, so guys, as you all can see, this is my main account and I'm having 10 cedis in the account already. I've did a lot of withdrawals, so me if I don't know M accounts is here. So because of some one or two reasons, there wasn't any kind for omu product and not have that third because they are running promotion. So we have there wasn't any kind in here. Over 70 cedis at least. At first it was 60 cedis, but then almost to 70 cedis. So over 70 cedis, na day be our any 3 cedi 90 pesos. So and on a run for 31 days pay. And that's my biggest flavor. Why I say over than I run for only 31 days. No, I've been 120 cedis. As a clear mommy. So me thought the second one, that's the 180 cedis. Me thought 160 cedis. Yes, me buy matches. So me thought 160 cedis. And DB I'm earning 7 cedis 20 pesos. So you too, you can try that one. So I'm expecting 2,628 at the end of the 365 days. Yeah, so you too, you can try it and see how it works for you. So guys, Mr. Say ugu so video so Mr. Say obe like na wa subscribe because eno na eche me dwuma me so me di ebe boa me. Yes, so you beto aso ne aba no. So you aba no ma enema bebre na site we in case all refill bi a obetima bo spin the wheel on so na we invite nipa ba ko bi abetima spin the wheel. So you imagine say we invite nipa 100 will group, then you'll be spinning the wheel, you spin the wheel at the end your crown, no bit much spinning wheel now, then you get a lot of money. Yes, you'll be just scabby now all the wabe your radar. So almost a copy me an invitation link and I'm inviting for, but then that's not why I'm here. So we are almost so Saturday I'm a we have to see your friend a day treasure every day 5 o'clock. Yeah, I'm gonna be told Telegram channel. So a person join the Telegram channel now. We are make sure I before so I will join the Telegram channel. Then no boss to say yeah, I'm gonna code in the Bible too. Now what code nation no okay now. Treasure box the baby scar be near piano and your one castle sika. So we are no ma your back home now before answer a person join here. That sign now a nice WhatsApp logo. Oboso. Then Oboso a baby. So a bia obe say on chat to more WhatsApp any na person join on Telegram on so media ma join on Telegram ni dada. But see no my any say obeso join here. Already can send message among before answer na on be do account but me make on Telegram channel no dada anyway. So we are enra code no me the bar for treasure box and na eda no. So nya screenshot na copy a onya copy pe okona copy still here they start with B2D1 why na end with C3 maybe they be omo drop people from you can gain something from there. Yes, and me person mention more withdrawals am so that maybe you people will not be having doubts. Yes, so withdrawals am no na ewa ha no me ba me withdrawal recorder. I think say the first time I did a withdrawal of 30 cedis. Yes, that's 26 and I'm here first withdrawal and 26 August and 29th August I also did withdrawal 30 cedis. That means 3 days intervals. And on the 2nd September we baby 40 cedis. Na 9 September so me 50 na 17 September me say 60 cedis. So sha and no na wo ho no mo me withdraw as am because me buy mu nche I feel na me try say me hwe ni more to say me invest more but so what join and I will film video ya me try say obeto ni bibiri. Yes, you turn kakra then quote no cry me so betima to ade ba ku mi ewo sa omo channel and also almost website we so then you will be earning something small. So in case a person you deposit and also make sure you paper so be deposit or by recharge so you tap on the recharge then maybe 70 cedis na person 1 year no wabɔ so 2 times ɛbɛtwerɛ. Then what choose to MTN, no about recharge now. So about recharge now, the way of payments in the city now before engine the say legit, because every another maybe you see MTN to say me no about MTN mobile money. Then over phone number show. So over phone number show no man. What about tab? What about next? Then before answer now I will continue on. Or mama number or send this scan. So who now send this scan? So we copy on my number no. So we copy number now. No I send this scan on my number. No send this scan on my number now. Then we send this can be a transaction ID ba. So transaction ID never ban. We copy and I be we born assure before answer now about submit. Not just a payment completed. That's the last part. In case I want to be as wait me urgently. Me question or I am a comment section or no me my reply. Say video never send me for one now until I say ya. About be video I found no what BBA see. So guys, wait me I and BBA and I all refer one now for phone so we be getting commission from them. Yes. Me refer the babako in 8 cities and your bonus. Then every day be a many panel commission. So in case wait to me, I rem now I refer on now for 10, 20. Every day be on more crowd, no bit money on more crowd 10 cities. Before I was 50%. So every day be every 2 days be then you will be doing withdrawals. Every day be you will be doing withdrawals. So guys, say now in case person join who school. As I was open say when you be a bit my be when you scar because what I heard in say 100 CDs in now try so be double 100 CDs in on your more china because nipa no the man maybe on continue amount so when you scan then I was on fire was on double now when you so guys thanks for watching. Make sure say obe subscribe to this YouTube channel na bibi ame upload bibi on so on sabeka so thanks for watching. Peace out.